In this tutorial, I will show you how you can download Adobe Acrobat Reader free PDF viewer on Windows machine and install. So go to the google.com and search for download Acrobat Reader. So this is the first link for downloading the Acrobat Reader. Click here and you will be presented with the option to download. So Acrobat Reader is the world's most trusted free PDF viewer, and this is available for Windows 10 and 11 English version. So we are downloading it for Windows 10, and there are two softwares that can be downloaded with this. I don't want these softwares to download on my machine now, so I will uncheck these and click on the download Acrobat Reader. So download is in progress and you can see it is downloaded. Next is I can directly click on the here or go to the directory and run the installer from there. For simplicity, I will just click here and downloader is now started. It is downloading the Acrobat Reader free version for installing on my machine. So let's wait for the download to complete. Now the Acrobat Reader is being installed on my machine. Installation in progress. Acrobat Reader installing, and till now 66% is completed. Now it is 67%. Now the installation is completed. I will click on finish and the Acrobat Reader is started. So this way you can download, install and run the Acrobat Reader on your machine. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.